Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mad Max, and so today I wanted to share with you guys how I prep my nails for double tip nails. And this is how I prep my nails. I don't know how everyone else prep their nails, and to each his own. So I'm using a safety bit to drill my natural nail plate, and then after I'm done I will show you guys how I do the double tips. So the nail tips that I like to use are the Modern Salon nail tips, and these are from Miss Anna, Missana. And I really like to use the Miss Anna brand because this doesn't really have that extreme curve. So when you're doing the double tips, you're using two nail tips. And so when you do glue down the nail tips, you don't want it to really have an extreme curve because it will create like a C shape, and that's not really too cute. So I want to actually elevate my second tip. So after I'm done applying the first tip, I'll show you guys how I elevated the second tip. So now that I have applied the first set of nails, it is time to apply the second tip. And now when I apply the second tip, like I said, I don't want to put it towards the floor. I want to kind of put it towards the sky because I don't want it to have an extreme C curve. So when I do apply the second tip, I kind of elevate it just a little bit. To determine the size of the second tip, it all depends on which kind of nail tips you are using. Some nail tips, they come in the size of 0 to 9, and others come in size 9 to 0. So it all depends on what kind of nail tips you're using. But always use the size that is one size lower or smaller. So after I'm done applying both of the tips, I'm just going to determine the size. Well, I actually already cut down the nails, but I'm going for like a wide coffin type of shape. So I'm just going to cut the sides, and then I'm going to use the drill to actually file the sides and shape my nails. When using the drill, it is important to actually hold on to the nail very, very tight. Some people, they actually hold the drill kind of towards the floor, kind of downward a bit, but I like to use the sides because the side actually gives me more stability. So when I'm done drilling the nails, I like to actually use a file to file the sides and just sharpen it up just a little bit. But the file is actually a choice. You don't really have to use it, but I just like to use it just to give it a sharp look. So this is my method of preparing my nails for double tip nails, and I would like to welcome my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. And if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys.